coping with depression and anxiety, ignorance about side effects, African myths, shame, and other low emotional states such as low self-esteem, baby mama drama, and instant gratification may push women to use drugs, especially if heartbreak, neglect, divorce, job loss, etc. occur during pregnancy. This can have a negative and adverse effects on the mother and the unborn fetus or the newly born baby. Hey there, this is Joe Bills, your certified alcohol and substance abuse counselor. Many drugs affect pregnancy such as alcohol, nicotine, cannabis, heroin, cocaine, snuff, also known as sunko locally, and many more. Drugs have a negative effect on the fetus, and these are transferred directly through the placenta. Drugs such as tobacco and cannabis are connected with premature birth, while cocaine causes low birth weight. Cocaine and heroin exposure results in the newly born baby being born with dependency on the same drugs. The 1980s saw a rise in crack babies, with babies born from addicts being born with dependency and or withdrawal symptoms in heroin or crack cocaine, which requires treatment. Abusing drugs in pregnancy can be risky, and the unborn child can suffer from mental and physical damage that is irreversible. It is common for alcohol and other drug users to neglect themselves and concentrate on consuming drugs without eating, leading to a poor nutrition, which may all impact on fetal development. African cultural beliefs that encourage drinking opaque beer to produce more breast milk. Popular amongst women in sub-Saharan Africa like Zambia is a belief that drinking opaque beer while pregnant or after childbirth is good for you, as it helps their body to produce more breast milk. However, alcohol intake puts the mother at risk of anemia, which is already prevalent in pregnant women because of the lack of iron or a proper diet due to the pregnancy needs, and drinking alcohol only enhances the risks of anemia. Despite all these risks, many women still ignore the risk to themselves and to the unborn child and go on to indulge in alcohol and other drugs such as smokeless tobacco, aka insunko or kwai. Pregnancy-related risk of cannabis to children exposed while in the womb include attention deficit, memory problems, difficulty in problem solving. Research shows that THC passes through breast milk from the mother to the child and may impact on fetal brain development negatively. Miscarriages on pregnant women, stillbirth on pregnant women, developmental delay in fetus, weight gain, low emotional score with anxiety, depression, stress, trauma, confusion, disturbed behavior due to low dopamine, which leads to lowered motivation, low motion, low movement, and more addictive behavior such as gambling, gaming, betting, social media addiction, and relapses. All these are associated with low dopamine, as dopamine is a molecular hormone which works with all other hormones, and since dopamine is just an effect, what can be fixed is not dopamine but the bad lifestyle choices through therapy and medication. Speaking of addictive behavior, did you know that gaming or betting has been reported as an addiction by the WHO, describing it as a chronic relapsing disorder characterized by compulsive seeking and use despite adverse consequences? The WHO reports that more than $1.7 trillion being profited by the gaming companies. Drugs change the brain's functional circuits involved with stress, reward, and self-control. No wonder sports betting and the like are hard to quit and have brought ruin to many lives due to a lack of strong policies and regulations, especially in African countries and on social media networks regarding it as entertainment. It is important to talk to a trained counselor or professional about your worries and concerns if you are struggling with addiction, to receive support and learn skills and strategies to avoid drugs. Like, comment, and subscribe to the channel Joe Bills the Great for more videos on your mental health issues. Watch my next video on cheese, aka the high-grade cannabis problem. Thanks for watching.